melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Nutella banana sandwich. This is so easy. All we need is bread, Nutella, and banana. So you can have it toasted or you can have it not toasted, totally up to you. I do like it toasted, so I'm going to put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. So if you don't want it toasted, just skip this step. So let's toast the bread for our Nutella banana sandwich. So now the bread is toasted. So to make Nutella sandwich, we're going to spread it with Nutella. So good. Makes a perfect breakfast or snack. This is great with a cup of coffee. And now we're going to add banana slices. Nutella and banana, they're a perfect combination. Really go so well together. And so if you want to keep it like an open face toast, you can just top the other one with banana slices as well. Or if you want to make it into a regular sandwich, so 1 layer of banana will be enough. Just put them on top of each other. And here is banana Nutella sandwich. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It's so delicious. Nutella and banana go so well together, and this nice warm toasted bread is delicious. You will love it, and it's super filling too. It's a complete breakfast made in minutes. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!